Moms, I only work 2 hours a day and earn in dollars. No forex, no trading. Hi guys, I am Madeleine. I just want to share a little testimony. I joined the Legacy program in March 2025 and I'm so happy I did. I'm a mom of two and a preschool teacher by profession, and I wanted more time with my family and a way to earn extra income. I now fit 2 hours a day in before work, during my lunch, and after work. No need to do the 2 hours at once. You can split it up in 15, 30 minutes a day. I'm earning in dollars, and the best part is it's 100% profit. The system does all the work for me. No forex, no trading, no pyramid schemes, just a simple step by step blueprint. If I can do it, so can you. Don't wait. Join me now and start building your legacy. Drop info in the comments or click the link in my bio to start your journey today.